Blender for Architects, Archimesh add-on overview. Here, I'm creating a fully parametric circular column using Archimesh, and I can precisely control the radius, height, base, and capital from the panel. His ready-made columns can serve as base models for various column designs and can be further customized, significantly improving modeling efficiency. Windows can be created very quickly, making this approach particularly useful when modeling existing or classical architectural structures. You can create shelves and quickly adjust their dimensions and style them as needed. You can duplicate the shelves, extend them, and set individual dimensions for each shelf you create. This is especially time-saving when working on interior models. Another feature of Archimesh is roof modeling, which is highly practical, particularly for creating roofs on sloped surfaces and efficiently duplicating roof materials. You can use different roof covering types and, by adjusting variables such as thickness, slope, and amount, apply a certain level of customization. Creating cabinets and drawers is no longer time-consuming. Simple, classic cabinet models can be generated quickly, with a wide range of dimension parameters, allowing even fine details such as handles to be easily sized and repositioned.